Okay, so I get a whole lot of questions about what turnkey is, and all the documentation is too complicated and specific, so I figured I'd make a video as a placeholder that at least would get the gist across as to what it is. So, right off the bat, the reason for Turnkey's creation is because we are building a microchip that doesn't exist. And before the chip comes, before hardware is built, you need to know what software is going to run on that hardware so that the integrated circuits can be created to be able to run that software. So while we were getting prepared to build this microchip, we realized we had some of the software built. So we thought, why not just emulate this software, create a simulated environment for programmers to understand what this microchip is going to allow them to be capable of doing. So Turnkey is that simulatory environment that allows programmers to play with a fake ternary computer, a fake ternary microchip that is emulated inside of the internet on a regular computer, on a computer that uses binary logic, zeros and ones. So I'll just talk about the interface a little bit so you get even more of an understanding of what the heck is going on here. Well, you know, a lot of this is login and a bunch of modals letting you know what's going on here and there. But then the main thing to get across is this screen. So with our Pro plan, yes, this will be sold. We are going to have the emulator screen is what this is called. And each one of these windows where it says input and output are the code windows. G is a high-level programming language. Tern, which is an acronym for ternary executable radiosinative nexus, which essentially means a very generalized language. That's an assembly language that's here. And then this is BTMC, balanced ternary machine code. Balanced is just a kind of ternary. It's just a ternary machine code at the end of the day. Okay, so these are all inputs on this side, and there's outputs on this side. So all we to get this thing kicked off, we just want to have a way of allowing software developers to learn through play. That is the main goal. We don't want to make videos like this and to write documentation and explain away until we're blue in the face about what ternary is and what it means. We're not doing that. We did all the reading ourselves. We were convinced that it is time to build a ternary microprocessor. It's the right thing to do for the growth of the AI industry, hyperscaling, cloud computing, all this different stuff, how it's taking massive amounts of energy to train new AI models. It's time to upgrade our chips. It's time to make smarter computers. Fundamentally, they don't just get smarter. I mean, okay, so before I go on a rant, this is the UI we're going with, and you know, it turns out to feel like a regular application. You're able to save these programs that you write that we refer to as keys. You know, you have some settings, you go into full screen, you have a plan that you're able to play with. You have a sidebar, so you have history. You have an explore keys location, which is sort of like the app store of these other people's programs known as keys. You know, you can have a favorite. So it's a whole friendly little interface about a subject that's tricky. It's tough. And that's why our main demographic is our software developers only. There's 28 million software developers worldwide. So that is who we are targeting to sell this product to. And without getting too deep or too complicated, that's Turnkey. It's a place for software developers to learn through play about how ternary programming is going to evolve the computing world. Okay, thank you for watching.